My family, going back generations, has been involved in farming. There's just something almost spirit-filled about caring for animals.
There's not a farmer that I know that doesn't care about the environment.
This is just what we know how to do. We are very, very good at it, and obviously we love to do it.
They are America's farmers, and today they are also pioneers taking on a challenge that crosses both city limits and county lines. A challenge they face with help from FPPC, Farm Pilot Project Coordination. Over the last 4 decades, American agriculture has changed from a family legacy to an efficient business operation.
The farm practices have changed from the days of grandfather's red barn and the sweet-smelling manure wagon with the cows out the pasture. Today, economies of scale are forcing our dairymen and agriculture to concentrate the animals in much tighter quarters.
More animals on less land mean a more concentrated amount of manure. Farmers face an economic battle to haul and spread the waste. In land applications of manure, farmers are challenged with major environmental problems. Excess nutrients can overload the soil, polluting our clean waterways. At the same time, airborne particulates and volatile gases can affect the air we breathe.
Nitrogen contaminates our drinking water. Phosphorus gets into the streams, the rivers, and our lakes, causing algae blooms and causing excess problems for our fish.
Runoff from fields saturated with untreated manure can also carry the threat of E. coli to consumers. Endangered natural resources, health risks, rising fuel costs, and higher consumer prices. All reasons agriculture needs solutions. In 2002, Farm Pilot Project Coordination, FPPC, was chartered by Congress to find innovative and effective technologies to solve agriculture's growing waste disposal problems. Since its inception, FPPC has managed 45 pilot projects across 19 states. Today, FPPC works at the intersection of our most important environmental problems: water, waste, air quality, and energy. The goal? Develop economically viable, scalable technology that can provide solutions for today's needs.
To have organizations like the FPPC, it's absolutely vital for startup companies or for projects like this that can help us get it off the ground.
One of these FPPC projects is at the Wheezy Brothers Dairy Farm in Greenleaf, Wisconsin. Here, they turn a waste liability into renewable energy. Wheezy Brothers teamed up with engineering firm Skill Associates to produce the Eliminor, a first-of-its-kind manure dryer.
We're taking the manure as is, evaporating the moisture out of it, and leaving a very nice biomass. The biomass is a great fuel. We put it in a combustor, we create steam, turn a turbine, and make electricity.
The electricity is connected to the power grid. Excess heat is also produced and used to dry more manure.
On this farm, we're able to produce 600 kilowatts of electricity, which is equivalent to 600 homes, just from the 3,700 cows that are here on this location.
The manure is gone, renewable energy is created, hauling costs and odor are significantly reduced.
We're the first to successfully burn manure on farm, and we did that by the help of the FPPC.
But FPPC has not stopped at dairy farms. Pilot projects also extend to swine, feedlot, and poultry operations too. One example is R&J Partnership, which has developed organic fertilizer uses from poultry waste.
Each million or so birds produces about 20,000 tons of manure a year.
Manure that can now be used to make high-grade organic fertilizer.
We actually dry the manure out, we compost it, and then pelletize it. And from there, we're able to granulate it down to a form. What we wanted to be able to do is to create a product that would compete with synthetic products.
And they did. The process not only uses waste, it also incorporates animal mortalities, putting less strain on our landfills. All of this because of a grant through FPPC.
What we're able to do with Farm Pilot's help is compost those spent hens with our InVessel technology.
From dairy to swine to poultry, FPPC looks at the waste stream as a resource stream with financial and environmental benefits. This is the beginning of endless possibilities that can become reality with the support and expertise of Farm Pilot Project Coordination.
America's farmers face many challenges that affect each of us and our families, environmentally, socially, and economically. With Congress's continued support, FPPC will help farmers develop green solutions today so tomorrow's resources won't go to waste.